So the lesson that we have in music is the contemporary Philippine music, or also known as the 20th century traditional music. And you also discuss the traditional composers. So now let's move on new music composers. They retained the Filipino spirit by incorporating traditional music forms as well as indigenous rhythms and instruments in their compositions. It means that new music is a mixture ng traditional music as well as ng rhythm and instruments ng mga indigenous people kagaya ng mga Aita at ng mga Batchao. Second one is Lucrecia Casilag, ang nag-iisang babae na composer natin during 20th century. Siya naman po, ina-incorporate niya yung indigenous Filipino instrument into orchestral production. Hindi siya orchestral, marami or iba't ibang instrument po yung kanyang ginagamit. Have Ramon Santos, compositional style features chromaticism, music seria and electronic components combined with indigenous Philippine music elements. We also have Jerry Dadap, the first Filipino composer to conduct. When we say conduct, in short, ito po yung conductor, or in short, in Tagalog, yung kumukumpas po. So, ano po yung kinonduct niya? His own works at the Carnegie Recital Hall in New York City. Next, we have Francisco Feliciano, liturgical music as well, kagaya ni Father Manuel, liturgical pieces, mass settings, hymn, and songs for worship. Next is Josefino Toledo, the founding music director of the Metro Manila Community Orchestra or the UP Festival Orchestra. Talk about the song composers. Together, they had produced a memorable output of traditional Filipino love songs, music for the movies, and materials for contemporary arrangements and concert repertoire. So, ang song composers or song music po is mga love songs, mga music na ginamit sa movies, and ginagamit or mga music na ginagamit or ginamit sa mga concert. So the first composer that we have is Levi Celerio, made it to the Guinness Book of World Records for being the only person to make music with a leaf. And then naka-receive siya ng maraming award for his musical achievements in film. So yung mga music na meron po siya is ginagamit po sa mga film. Next, we have Constancio de Guzman, was acknowledged as the Dean of Filipino Movie Composers and Musical Directors. And siya po ang nag-compose ng nationalistic song na Bayan Ko. Next, we have Miguel Mike Velarde Jr., a composer, a conductor, and musical director. He composed the popular song Dahil sa Iyo in 1938. Next, we have Santiago Suarez. So, ang sabi dito, yung melodies po na ginamit niya is tonal and very catchy daw po. At kaya po siya na composer, yung composition niya is a mixture of soulful Kundiman style and the lively strains of the countryside. And then, ayan po yung mga example po ng kanyang mga composition, Ligaya Ko, Pandango ni Neneng, Dungawin Mo Hirang, at marami pang iba. Next, we have Restituto Resti Umali. Siya naman po ay isang composer, teacher, and musical arranger. Siya ang nag-arrange ng ating Philippine National Anthem na Lupang Hinirang. Next, we have Angel Peña. Siya naman po ay kilala bilang classical and jazz composer, musical arranger, and bass player. So kapag nakita niyo ang pangalan ni Angel Peña, jazz, no, traditional jazz, one of the founders of traditional jazz in the Philippines, si Angel Peña. Next, we have Hernani Cuenco, a composer, film scorer, musical director, and music teacher, a national artist in music in 1999. Last one, we have Leopoldo Silos Sr., a composer, a singer, so kumakanta siya, and a musical arranger. Makinig po tayo ng isang composition po ni Jose Maceda na ang title ay Ugnayan. Pakinggan po natin yung lyrics.
Dagat ang nag-uugnay sa pulong hiwa-hiwalay, Pilipinas ang bayan ko, sabihin mong isa tayo.
Ayan, ang sabi dyan, dagat ang nag-uugnay sa pulong hiwa-hiwalay. So, tayo dito sa Pilipinas, marami tayong dagat, marami tayong mga pulo, mga island. So, dagat po ang nag-uugnay sa atin kahit layo-layo tayo. Or yung literal na tayong mga Filipino, kahit magkakaiba tayo ng ugali, no? Tayo pa rin po ay magkakaugnay dahil isa lang po yung ating lahi. Sunod naman po, pakinggan po natin itong kinompose ni Lucrecia Casilag na may title na Toccata for Percussion and Winds. Yun po ang title, Toccata for Percussion and Winds na kinompose ni Lucrecia Casilag. Pakinggan po natin. So again, yun po yung toccata for percussion and winds na kinompose ni Lucrecia Casilag. Ngayon naman po, pakinggan po natin to. Kinompose po ito ni Levi Celerio.
Ang Pasko ay sumapit, tayo ay mangagsiawit ng magagandang himig, dahil sa ang Diyos ay pag-ibig, nang si Kristo'y isilang, may tatlong haring nagsidalaw, at ang bawat isa ay nagsipaghandog ng kahigalay. Bagong
Ayan. Again, yung po yung Ang Pasko ay Sumapit na kinompose ni Levi Celerio. Next, last one po. Ito naman po ay kinompose ni Santiago Suarez na merong title na Dungawin Mo Hirang. Yung ipaparinig ko po sa inyo ay instrumental lamang po. So, yung Dungawin Mo Hirang ay harana, pangharana po na music.